Hi, I'm Nguyen, and I'm currently the project manager of KUN Solutions. As a manager, I'm committed to contribute my time and effort to elevate our team assignments to a high distinction. Furthermore, I'm proud to collaborating effectively with my teammates by setting the objectives, tasks, and deadlines to drive the progress of generating the transportation management system, TMS, for our beloved client, the ITL. I'm so excited right now. Stay tuned, I will show you what we can do.
Our client, ITL, is a prominent logistics company in Vietnam with a vast network of offices and warehouses. ITL efficiently manages transportation, warehousing, and supply chain management. The company provides customer satisfaction with customized and cost-effective solutions supported by cutting-edge technologies and industrial best practices. ITL is currently experiencing difficulties in setting up an effective TMS in Vietnam. The lack of reliable TMS in the country has resulted in operational efficiencies, increased costs, and limitations in providing efficient logistics and transportation services. Recognizing the importance of resolving this issue, ITL aims to improve its competitive position. They reached out to us, KUN Solutions Company, for a partnership in TMS software solutions. The project contains several key functional and technical requirements, such as scalability, integration capabilities with current ERP and CRM system, security, recovery capabilities, user training, and support.
Let's move on to the project mission statement and objective. Within a time period of 3 months, we are committed to design and develop a proposed TMS for ETL. It includes a user-friendly and appealing interface with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and suggestions for control across transportation network and logistic operation with the AI algorithm. Storage of data, optimizing resource, and reporting of the capabilities to inform the decisions using database and data science. A protocol for data encryption using cybersecurity. The second one is testing and quality assumed by sending a remote system to the legal AI adapting fields such as EY or PCS, implementing the system with the integration with the current ERP and CRM to import the data. Last but not least, we are going to provide a training system for ETL logistics group staff and provide a comprehensive documentation of the system, architect, features, and functionality for the further maintenance and scalability.
Okay, next I will show the process how our team works. In order to ensure a smooth and effective workflow, we have organized our project using several strategies and platforms and avoiding certain flows. Regarding platform, the first one is Jira for project management. It is a powerful project management tool that helps our team plan, track, and manage our tasks. It provides features like easy tracking, backlogging, and customizable workflows, making it an excellent choice for managing complex projects. We use it weekly for assigned tasks and check it daily for keeping track with personal and mutual tasks. The second one is Confluent for documentation. It is a collaborative workflow where teams can create, share, and collaborate on documents in real time. It integrates seamlessly with Jira, allowing us to link our documentation directly via shared tasks. The Confluent currently serves as the main storage of our deliverable to our client. And last, Google Meet is a great tool for emergency meeting or when face-to-face meetings are not possible.
Let's explore our strategies. Weekly offline meetings are crucial for fostering open communications, active participations, and a collaborative environment. These meetings are used to discuss challenges, allocate tasks, and clarify uncertainties. Currently, we are holding these meetings on Monday and Wednesday, and I will talk about task delegation approach. After identifying significant issues, the team employs design thinking concept to brainstorm potential solution. Each team member then selects a concept aligning with their expertise and interests.
And the last thing we must avoid is multitasking and dependability. Our team recognize the importance of the deep understanding and root cause analyzing before proposing for solutions. Besides, each team member also encouraged to identify the job to maximizing the outcome and make sure it's always aligned with the client requirement early on.
Okay, so let's move on to our ERD parts. It identifies the main entities and objects and relationships between without defining their attributes. In order to generate a practical and professional conceptual ERD, I have modified it following several factors: completeness and conciseness. I have designed the diagram based on the functional requirements of the ITL's managers. Each requirement is integrated into an object, which expands horizontally into entities. For the best outcome, I have conducted some research of previous cases and successful LMS framework consistency and visual appeal. The ERD use standard notations named crown foods. Besides, the use of symbols and notation should be consistent throughout the ERD. This provides a clean layout, aligned entities, and nearly drawn relationship lines. For stage 2, we move to logical ERD. Logical ERD, on the other hand, is a more detailed version of the conceptual ERD. It not only includes the entities and their relationships, but also defines the complexity, the attributes, primary and foreign keys of each entity. I also maintain the professionalism to logical ERD with some musts. First of all is accuracy. The created attributes and the relationships between entities showing via primary keys and foreign keys must accurately represent the system. Secondly, normalization and denormalization. While developing the system, I always kept in mind that the database must be normalized at least to 3NF, reducing the data redundancy and improve data integrity. Furthermore, the normalizing process is also carried out at the same time to improve data retrieval, reduce complexity with less table, and ensure efficient scalability. Peace.
Thanks, Newton, for explanations about conceptual and logical ERD. Let me introduce about physical ERD. The state-to-state development of ERD has been deployed, and now let's move to our physical ERD. It is a detailed schematic of the main parts of the transportation management system for logistic organization. First, we have order management function. The system can track and manage customer order from creation to delivery thanks to the order and order stated entities. Next, we have career management. The system can keep track of the authorized career capabilities and past performance using the vehicle and driver entities. Third, we have the traffic weather data and route entity assist the system in effectively planning and optimizing delivery routes. Next, inventory management functions. The system can monitor and control inventory levels in warehouse and during transportations thanks to the entities linked to the stock, warehouse, and zones. The fifth part is shipment tracking. The system can track shipment in real time due to the shipment and shipment status entities. Next, we have billing and invoicing function. The system can generate correct bills based on shipment data through the entities associated with the billing address, invoice, and payment. Next, we have reporting and analytics. The system allows for comprehensive information on transportation performance, expenses, and KPIs due to the wide range of data supplied by each of these organizations. Lastly, user management and access control function. Role-based access control, makes possible by user object with password and username field, contributes to data security.
Move to my part. I will explain you about dummy data creation. As we part of the development journey of our cutting-edge TMS software, it's imperative to populate our data with realistic and diverse dummy data. This dummy data will serve as a foundation of testing, ensuring the robustness and efficiency of our TMS solution. We aim to mimic the intricacies of our actual operation, anticipating how the TMS software will handle different scenarios. It's not just about quantity, but the quality and diversity of data will push our data to its limits. By utilizing the feature that the macro tool provides, we can generate a large amount of data through code in a reasonable manner. We can use features such as data science to seamlessly and consistently represent a relationship between entities. Initiating the data generation for our TMS, we identify crucial entities like contacts, users, orders, shipments, and vehicles. Table receive a rich infusion of diverse data, effectively replicating real-world scenario, establishing meaningful relationship intertwine user with contact, order with client, and shipment with vehicles and drivers. Order exhibits variation in quantities, delivery notes, and client association, while shipment scenarios cover an array of status, routes, and delivery addresses. The definition of dynamic pricing structure based on structure like distance, quantities, and vehicle type is complemented by simulation of various payment methods. The incorporation of traffic and weather data dynamically linked to routes replicates real-world conditions. Warehouse witness vary influx of capacity and zone, mirroring authentic stock organization. After successfully update the data, we can create a CSV file and successfully import into BP management for our table.
Hey everyone, my name is King. I'm the one that doing all the queries in the data-driven insights at ITL. Today, I'm really excited to walk you through some key queries the KI administrators frequently use to keep our operation on track. Our first query is about identifying our top 50 clients based on their total order value. Admins often use these to prioritize relationships, customizing services, or offering incentive to retain high-value clients, ultimately maximizing revenue and strengthening connections. Moving to the second query, admins often run this to retrieve orders with late shipments. It's a proactive move, allowing us to manage more delays efficiently by identifying patterns and making necessary improvement to our supply chain and delivery process. Next up is a query that fetches comprehensive client information along with their contact details. Admin find it invaluable for efficient communication and quick issue resolution. Next one is the frequent queries that admin use to identify order with multiple shipments. It's a crucial step in effective management, minimizing the risk of oversight for a complex multi-shipments order. Moving forward, the fifth query provides real-time information about orders and their status. Admin rely on this to enhance visibility into order fulfillment, aiding informed decision-making. Coming up is our sixth query. It's a powerful house, gathering comprehensive information about shipments, including their location, weather, and traffic conditions. Admin use this to make informed decisions, manage potential delays effectively, and ensure overall shipment process efficient. So with the seventh query, we dive into detailed shipment information, including delivery addresses and receiver details. It's an admin go-to for a precise delivery process and effective communication. Admins often check the eighth query to calculate the on-time percentage for each driver. It's a crucial tool in evaluating driver performance and contributing to our commitment to excellent service quality. The ninth query is all about counting stock in each warehouse zone. Admins lean on this for streamlined warehouse operations and effective inventory management, ultimately contributing to supply chain efficiency. Our final query identifies invoices with outstanding payments. Admin use this to maintain healthy financial practices, ensuring timely follow-up on unpaid invoices and contributing to our overall financial stability. Remember that these queries are the backbone, serving admins in various scenarios and ensuring smooth operation of our businesses. Please keep in mind that there are some more based on different use cases. Thank you.
Greetings, I'm Hugh, an enthusiastic individual with a strong interest in complexities of artificial intelligence. I'm glad to offer my skills and expertise to apply my major to certain parts of the project. First of all, routes optimization, by utilizing AI algorithms to analyze and interpret real-time data of weather and traffic conditions, I want to optimize delivery routes. And by incorporating machine learning models, I want to enhance the precision of delivery time predictions. Secondly, inventory management. By integrating AI-driven infrastructures, I want to manage inventory, forecast demand, and automate restocking in order to maximize stock levels and minimize holding expenses. And by implementing RFID and computer vision technologies for real-time inventory monitoring in warehouses. Third of all, I want to demand forecasting by applying machine learning models to analysis of the past in order to forecast forthcoming product demand. This practice may aid in the optimization of inventory levels and the prevention of stockouts or surplus scenarios.
I'm Ling. In this project, I specialize in data science, which takes responsibility for real-time monitoring, cost reduction, resource optimization, and risk management. Data science enable logistic process monitoring through IoT device for prompt decision-making and adaptation to supply chain changes. The second is cost reductions and resource optimization. Data-driven insights identify cost reductions opportunities such as energy efficiency, route optimization, and inventory management, leading to significant cost saving. Lastly, risk management. Data science assesses supply chain risk by analyzing historical data and external factors. Logistic companies can mitigate disruptions and delays through effective risk identifications and management.
I'm Nguyen, and I'm majoring in front-end development, especially UX UI. Applying my major to this project in the future brings a lot of advantage. The first merit is user interface enhancement. Well-designed and user-friendly interface can facilitate attracting user attention. As a result, the number of clients accessing the service will increase. The second advantage is user experience improvement. Logistic personnel can increase productivity, reduce errors, and also improve user satisfaction with the help of an effective UX. And the last one is data visualization. By improving the way in which logistic data is represented, managers are able to more readily comprehend and extract valuable insights from intricate data sets.
In this project, I serve as back-end developer. Firstly, IBM development is at the forefront. We created seamless communication channels between system components, ensuring smooth integration with external systems and third-party applications. Secondly, business logic implementations is core to our strategy. We're shaping robust logic for order processing, inventory management, and shipping cost calculation, crucial for driving daily business operations. Lastly, in data management and storage, we prioritize security and efficiency. Effectively handling large volume of cargo, inventory, and procedural data is essential for streamlined operations.
Hey guys, I'm Kang. In this project, I'm a database and cloud specialist. So in my role, I have to ensure three things. First one is scalability. I'm leveraging cloud platforms to bring in a scalable infrastructure. This means we can easily adjust to changes in demand, making sure our operations are always at their best by tapping into the power of cloud services. The second one is backup and disaster recovery. I'm implementing automated disaster recovery and backup solutions in the cloud. This ensures that our important logistic data is regularly backed up, making it easy to restore quickly if anything goes wrong. Is a key part of ensuring the reliability of our operations. The third one is data centralization and accessibility. As we dive into this project, I'm setting up cloud-based databases to create a centralized hub for our data. This not only keeps things organized, but also make it easy for authorized users to access the information.
Hello everyone, I am the last person in the team to introduce about my major. My major is cybersecurity and I have role for the data protection. So our project, I will handle the sensitive data, including shipments, customer information, and inventory. Cybersecurity means sure like encryption and access control. So get information from unauthorized access and exploration. The second one is retaining unauthorized access. Cybersecurity is crucial to retain unauthorized access to logistic infrastructure, including vehicle, warehouse, and control system, reducing the risk of the thief, thievery, or the disruption in transportation and delivery processes. And the last one is supply chain security. Cybersecurity mentioned enhance overall supply chain security, protecting the system and data from the cyber thieves. They ensure an integrity of the products information throughout their motion.
Our project has not only met but exceeded our expectations. The TMS software stands as a testament to our commitment to innovation, efficiency, and excellence in the world of logistics and transportation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Here's to the success of our enhanced transportation and logistics operation. Last but not least, let's showcase the transformative capability of our TMS software in action.
As admin, I require the ability to manage the career to a database and assign them to humans based on the retaining my expertise ensure the efficient delivery. And this is our career.
As a customer, I want the ordering process to be fast and efficient, especially when it comes to filling out the necessary information. Doing it online would be really convenient.
As a delivery person, I want the entire process from order pickup to delivery to be convenient in terms of both traffic and time efficiency.
What's up, folks? As a shipment manager, I aim to generate comprehensive reports on transportation performance, shipment lists, and KPIs. Luckily, the KUN app has integrated those features into the system to help me create informed decisions, utilizing advanced analytics for trends and continuous tracking on our sales system. I will show you around.
Hello, I want to check the status of parcel ID 113, please. Okay, thank you. As a warehouse manager, I aim to receive timely notifications about essential shortage and low-level inventory to ensure that we can restock promptly and prevent stock out by monitoring low-level inventories. And I will showcase our app here.
As an accountant, I require a system to have capability of providing various billing structure. This enables us to provide different billing models and generate accurate invoice based on our shipment data, ensuring correct billing for our customer. This KUN app will replace this paperwork.
As a database manager, my responsibility is answer the data security by creating important information such as the username and password tell for each user group. This is also enhanced by capturing the exit time of user. I will blow your mind with this database.